Hi! Welcome to my channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the background of a photo with a few clicks. If you don't have Photoshop installed on your PC, or you don't want to install it, because most of the Photoshop versions are paid to be installed. So I am going to teach you a very easy, simple and short way to use Photopea online. It does not need to download or install any Photoshop application. Simply open the website and complete your work. So let's get started. First, open a website of Photopea in Google search. And you will find the interface like that. Open the photo you want to change by clicking the File and Open button. Or you can simply drag it here to open. Now in the menu bar, just click on the Select option, and you will find Magic Cut. Just click on it. Now the image is shown in two layers, the original and without background. Now as you can see, there is some background that still exists. To remove it, we have two colors are shown above. Green is for the foreground and red is for the background. If we want to remove the background, just click on red and drag on the background area you want to remove. And the green button, if the foreground is scratched, we can recover it again by clicking the green and dragging on the area we need. As you can see on my screen how clearly and how fast the background is removed. After you remove the background, to save the photo, click New Layer and click on OK. Boom! The background is removed now. For more interesting and informative videos, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.